Optimum Polymer Technology's ultimate detailing towel. As car enthusiasts and professionals, we know the importance of using the right tools to achieve that flawless, showroom quality finish. Optimum's detailing towel is designed with cutting-edge microfiber technology to deliver the exceptional performance of much higher-priced towels. Its ultra-soft, high-density fibers are not just gentle and delicate surfaces, but also highly effective at lifting dirt, dust, and polish residues without leaving any streaks or scratches. What truly sets this towel apart is its versatility and durability. Whether you're applying wax, drying, or buffing, this towel's advanced construction ensures maximum absorption and efficiency. Plus, it's built to last, maintaining its quality after multiple washes, saving you both time and money. Optimum Polymer Technologies has a well-earned reputation for creating innovative, eco-friendly detailing solutions, and their ultimate detailing towel is no exception. With this tool in hand, you can confidently elevate your detailing game, achieving professional results every time. So whether you're a professional detailer or just someone who loves their car, Optimum's detailing towel is a must-have. Remember to wash smarter and shine brighter.